Good morning, friends. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and its technical level. Yesterday, we have noticed that gold and silver were closed on a flat note. Gold closed at 51,824. Silver closed at 68,781. In international market, gold is trading around $1914 per ounce, and in silver is trading around $26.77 per ounce. We have noticed that yesterday Federal Bank stable the interest rate. Currently, gold has a strong support at 51,400, resistance at 52,200. Silver has a strong support at 68,000, resistance at 69,500. The trend of gold and silver is sideways, uh, but since we are seeing that the increase in cases of coronavirus and weakness in global economy, so we are expecting a bounce back in gold and silver. So we are recommending buy in gold and silver on a dip. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday, base metal were also trade on a sideways trend. Copper closed at 529.25. However, zinc prices increased sharply, is increased by almost 0.5% and closed at 195.35. We're expecting some profit booking may be seen in base metal on the higher levels. So for intraday perspective, copper has a strong support at 525, resistance at 532. Zinc has a strong support at 193, resistance at 198. We are expecting some profit booking may be seen in base metal, so we are recommending sell in copper and zinc and other base metals. Now let's talk about the crude oil. Yesterday we have noticed that crude oil prices increased by almost 3.96% and closed at 2940 levels. In international market, crude oil is trading around 39.66. The support has been come from the Hurricane Shelly, which is very positive for the crude oil prices. However, yesterday we have noticed that crude oil inventory is fallen sharply, which also supportive for the crude oil. So for intraday perspective, crude oil has a strong support at 2880, resistance at 3000. So the trend is positive, so we are recommending buy in crude oil on a dips. So trader can go for buy in crude oil, and also they can go for buy in natural gas also, because Hurricane Shelly will be a positive, and due to this we have noticed that many offshore refineries closed down due to this hurricane. So we are expecting a positive trend may continue in natural gas also. So trader can go for a buy in natural gas. Natural gas has strong support at 163, resistance at 175. So trader can go for buy in natural gas. Now let's talk about the currency. Yesterday we have noticed that USD INR appreciated. It appreciated by 0.10%. So the trend of USD INR is towards appreciation. We are expecting again we can see appreciation in USD INR. So traders can go for a short in USD INR towards appreciation. It has a strong support at 73.10, resistance at 73.90. So trader can go for short in dollar towards appreciation. We hope that you will be benefited from this commentary. Thank you.